Now, what are we using to analyze the data, to analyze litigation data? Well, first we need to get a set of data that is going to be statistically significant enough in order to be usable. So typically when they say, statistical analysts say minimum of 120. Now that is definitely not going to be enough. So we analyze companies where we, at the very minimum, get at least 500 data points, which will naturally, as Premonition's capabilities expand, will expand even greater. Now, that doesn't mean that we won't use, we want diverse data. We want data that comes from everywhere, that comes from different geographies, and potentially, internationally, depending on, the companies we're analyzing. But as of right now, Premonition tends to use data that's US based, which is perfectly fine because we're going to mostly be analyzing companies that have a predominant part of their business in the US, largely because it also helps out with being able to analyze relatively similar sets of data because of jurisdictional similarities. And going forward, this is always, is always a capability we can expand as we get into new cities, new geographic markets, and that'll make the data even more robust.